Hello to all my viewers around the world. I want to say Happy New Year to you. And before we go further, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. All right. Today we'll be looking at the first question in the year 2023 on Nigerian Mathematics Olympiad Junior category, first round. The question says, find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared if alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And the distance between the points is open bracket 1 comma alpha close bracket and beta comma 1 is 3 units. Okay, how do we go about this question? Let's take a look at the solution to this question quickly. Solution, okay. Now the first thing we're given alpha plus beta, which is equals to 2. And the question asks us to find alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay, let's state that first. We have alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay, this is what we're looking for. So this is unknown. All right. And we have alpha plus beta is equal to 2. And that's what we have here. All right. And let's start the 2 points we're given to be this. Let's have point A is 1 comma alpha. All right. And point B is beta comma 1. Okay, these are the informations that we have. And also we're told that the distance between the 2 points is equal to 3. So the distance between the 2 points is equal to 3. Let me pick distance between A, B. That means the distance between A and B, which is the 2 points, is equal to 3. So the formula for this, the formula for distance between 2 points. We're looking at the distance between 2 points, which is A and B. So the distance between the 2 points, A and B, is equal to square root, okay, into bracket x2 minus x1, close the bracket, plus, squared here, plus y2 minus y1, close the bracket, square, okay. And the next thing is, what is our x2? What is our x1? What is y2? What is y1? And from here, we're going to continue with this. Okay, now let's go back to this part here. Here is our x1. Here is y1, okay? Here is x2. Here is y2. All we need is to just substitute the value. And okay, from here also, we're told or we're given that AB, that's the distance between the 2 points, AB is equal to 3. So this is going to be 3 here. We have 3 is equal to, all right, we have the square root of, what is our x2? X2 is what? Beta, okay? We have beta, okay, minus, what is our x1? This is our x1 here, which is 1, minus 1. Close the bracket, raised to power 2, okay? Plus, open the bracket. What is our y2? Go back to this. Y2 is 1. Okay, this is 1 minus, what is our y1? Alpha. Okay, this is alpha. Close the bracket, square. All right, and from here, want to get the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. This is what we want to look at. Now, to get that, we need to take away the square root. And how do we take away the square root? We're going to square both sides, okay? So square both sides. So if we take a look at this to square both sides, here is going to be 3 squared is equal to, and when you square this part, the square will cancel the square root. So in a nutshell, we're going to have beta minus 1 squared plus 1 minus alpha bracket squared. This is what we're going to have. And from here now, if you square this now, this is going to give us 9. And to expand this, in expansion of this is going to give us beta squared, okay? Beta squared, okay? 2 times beta times minus 1, that's minus 2 beta. And of course, minus 1 raised to power 2, that's going to give us what? Plus 1. And we're done with the first bracket. That means we have plus here. Let's open the second bracket here. To open the second bracket, what do we have? That's going to be 1 squared, which is still going to be 1, all right? And we have 2 times 1 times minus alpha. That's going to give us minus 2 alpha, all right? and minus alpha times minus alpha. That means minus alpha raised to the power of 2. That's going to give us plus alpha squared. Okay, and from here is 9 is equal to, I want to rearrange this. And what do I mean by rearranging this? Okay, I'm bringing alpha here and beta, alpha squared and beta squared together. So here is going to be alpha squared plus beta squared, okay? Then I'll also bring this and this together. Here I have minus 2 alpha, minus 2 alpha, and also here I have minus 2 beta, minus 2 beta, okay? Then here I have 1 plus 1, that's going to give us 2. This is 2. And from here, how do we go with this? Here we have 9. 9 is equal to, okay, we have alpha squared plus beta squared, okay. Now I want to factorize this. Find the common factor, okay. In finding the common factor there is minus 2. I'll open a bracket and I'm going to have alpha plus beta in bracket, then we have plus 2. Now also when you open this bracket, you're going to get this back. Let's take a look at it. Minus 2 times alpha, we're going to get minus 2 alpha. And the minus 2 times beta, we're going to get minus 2 beta. So in a nutshell now, from this part now, we go back to the question, and based on the analysis that we did here, we said alpha plus beta is 2. You can see here, alpha plus beta is 2. And alpha squared plus beta squared is unknown. So this is what we're looking for. Now let's substitute alpha plus beta to be equals to 2. So in a nutshell, here is 9 is equal to alpha squared plus beta squared minus 2 into bracket of, this is going to give us 2 because alpha plus beta has been given from here, which is equals to 2. Then also we have plus 2. Okay, this is 9 is equal to alpha squared plus beta squared minus 2 times 2. That's going to give us minus 4. So here we have minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2, we're going to have minus 2. Okay, if we have this, and from the question, we're looking for alpha squared plus beta squared, which is basically or practically what we have here. This is what we are looking for. And if we're looking for this, what do? Let's take this minus 2 to this. So this is going to give us 9 plus 2 is equal to alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay, and the reason why we're getting plus 2 here is because 2 is negative here. If you take negative and it crosses equality sign, it becomes positive. Okay, 9 plus 2 will give us 11. And here we have alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, in a nutshell and in summary, this is going to be alpha squared plus beta squared is equal to 11. With this, we have come to the end of today's class. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. See you next class. Thank you.